Everyone, myself Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So today I am going to explain the topic mean median for the individual series for the course Computation and Mathematics. So this course is from covers unit 3 and 4. So first of all, we can say what is mean by statistics. So statistics is nothing but a collection of data. So this data can be interpreted and we can solve using the data, finding the average of mean and median. So first you have to know there are the three types of series: individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So whereas the individual series is nothing but the data is only in the form of an x, and the discrete series is x as well as f value is frequency is distributed, and in the continuous series the data is distributed in the form of an class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, so on. So this presentation helps us to find the measures of central tendency, and we can solve using the discrete series and individual series. So first we can see what is mean the introduction of measures of central tendency. So measures of central tendency is nothing but finding the average by various key measures such as mean, median and mode. So these help us to find the averages for all the data. For example, mean is referred as an average, whereas median is referred as an center value. Mode is nothing but a most frequent value. So this helps us to identify in the overall area in the financial, social science, economics and social studies, etc. And next we can see the arithmetic mean, how to calculate the arithmetic mean for the individual series. So sum of all the values is divided by the number of the values. We can say it is an mean. It is explained as summation x by n, and summation x is nothing but sum of all the observation, whereas n is nothing but total number of observation. So how we have to calculate then? First of all, we have to find how many number of points are there exist in the total count, and next is an example is nothing but 5, 7, 9, 11. You just take the data set and we have to add all the value. How many values are existing here? 4 values are existing. So you have to add 5, 7, 9, 11. Then you have to divide it by 4. So if you add all the values, you will get 32. Then if you divide it by 4, you will get 8. So this helps us to find the arithmetic average using the mean. This is the individual series. So this has help us to find the weight of the students, average weight of the number of students and height of the students, and what is the temperature behind that, and how many number of peoples are living, how many of them are getting a salary based on the intensity, so on. We can explain using the mean median mode. So next we can find the median. So already you know that median is nothing but middlemost value of the item. So middlemost value of the item is nothing but, first of all, we have to arrange in an ascending order. After arranging the ascending order, we have to calculate the n number. If n is odd and even, then we can have two formula: n plus 1 by 2 item. If n is even number, you can apply that n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1 item. So this median is also one of the two middlemost value of the item. It helps us to find the average for all the items. So here 3, 5, 8, 11, 15. So all the values are there. So the median is nothing but, we have arranged it in an ascending order. The median is nothing but 8, because how many values are there? 5 values are there. 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 2, you will get 3. Third value is 1, 2, 3. Third value is 8. So we can calculate using the median. So and also another values are given like 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 40, etc. are given, and here how many values are given? 8 values are given. So the 8 values are distributed in the ascending order. Then you have to calculate the monthly impact, how many customer call service are attended in the by each of the agent, we have to identify. So here we have to follow the formula n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1. So you totally you have two values. So that two values will be find using the median. So this two value help us to find the ninth value. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 minutes outlet we have to find using the median. This is now represent help us to find the middlemost value of the item. Next, Median versus median is just nothing but mean help us to choose the symmetrical data outlets when it capture overall magnitude, whereas median is nothing but skewed data are the data with outlets. So always the researchers used to find the mean itself, because it helps us to find the exact value compared to the median. So most probably all the researchers will use the median. Conclusion is nothing but just I am recalling this session, that is mean is nothing but overall value of the item, whereas median is nothing but centermost value of the item. So both help us to find the measures of central deviation, and there is a lot of application in order to find the exam grades, and want to find the salary and average weight of an students, temperature of the students, etc. You can deduct using the mean median rule. So thank you students. Once again you watch more videos for this mean median mode, and next we can move on to the mode. Thank you ma.